Welcome to our tutorial on how to build long-term relationships with augmented staff. At Cullabendia, we ensure our staff blends effortlessly into your team from day one. So, start by introducing them to your team and providing all the necessary resources. Our staff are trained to align with your company's goals. Set clear expectations and ensure they understand your company's mission and objectives. We offer continuous learning and development programs for our staff, ensuring they grow alongside your company with minimal effort on your part. With Cullabendia, you get dedicated professionals who are ready to contribute from day one without the hassle. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.